Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Jillian coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, December 4th, 2018. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 32 degrees with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Clubs meeting today are 6th grade First Lego League will meet in room 209 from 3 to 4:30. TAP will meet today from 3 to 4 p.m. PBIS ambassadors will meet tomorrow morning at 7:45 in the music room. Art Studio apprentices, grades 5 and 6, will meet tomorrow morning at 7:45 in the art room. Puzzle Club Session 1 will meet tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. in room 101. Today's announcements are: today is Special Lunch Day. Come down with your ticket to enjoy some yummy Culvers. Tonight is Burgers and Books from 4 to 8 p.m. at Barnes & Noble's in Schaumburg. Today is National Cookie Day. What's your favorite type of cookie? This week's pictures and sign-offs were brought to you by Room 213. Have a Twinkle Tuesday.